Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market buys video for Friday, April 24th. It's approximately 5 minutes to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. All of Asia is trading to the downside, if you will, with many of these exchanges trading to negative triple-digit territory. Currently, right now in Europe, and as current ongoing, Europe is open trading. We're seeing pretty much the exact same phenomena, whereby all of the exchanges in Europe are trading to the downside, with many of them trading into negative triple-digit territory. Now, if we were to take a look at the market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollars trading higher, bonds are trading higher. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Gold is trading higher. However, crude is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, at 8:30 a.m. we have durable goods, core durable goods. These are both major. These are proven market movers. At 10 a.m. we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers, and there's always greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised numbers. All this being said, our bias is neutral. We will maintain a neutral bias very simply because we're seeing the U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. In theory, and I believe gold is trading higher as well, excuse me for that. Gold is trading higher as well. And in theory, what should be happening is the indices themselves, the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average, should be pointing to a lower open. They are not. They all point to a higher open, which tells us that the market doesn't really have very much of a correlated sense of direction, if you will. So there really isn't any market correlation going on. The only thing that's really that makes any sense is the fact that the crude oil is trading lower. Other than that, it doesn't. Hence, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.